Harnessing AI for Algorithmic Trading. Hi everyone, I'm Sunny Guntuka, Senior Data Analyst at Guideline.ai, and today we are diving into something truly game changing: the impact of artificial intelligence on algorithmic trading. Now, let me ask you, what if an AI model could analyze thousands of data points, predict market trends, and execute trades faster and more accurately than any human trader? Sounds futuristic. It's already happening. And today, we will explore exactly how AI is reshaping financial markets. AI in trading is not just a buzzword, it's a revolution. Processes It processes massive amounts of market data, detects trading patterns human can't see, executes high speed, high precision trades. And it's proven to work. AI driven strategies improve risk adjusted returns by up to 25%. That's a massive competitive edge in today's volatile markets. Reinforcement learning. One of the most powerful AI techniques in trading is reinforcement learning. So, what actually is reinforcement learning? It's a type of AI that learns through experience, and it tests different trading strategies, learns from mistakes, and continuously improves. Why does this matter? Traditional models struggle when market conditions shift. Reinforcement learning adapts in real time, constantly adjusting its strategy to maximize returns. For example, imagine an AI trading bot that learns from past trades, adapts to market shifts, and optimizes risk management, all without human intervention. That's the power of reinforcement learning. And next, coming to the deep learning, now let's talk about deep learning, especially long term, long short term memory networks. Why are LSTMs powerful? They detect hidden market trends in historical price data. They capture long term dependencies that traditional models miss. They improve predictive accuracy by 15% over standard techniques. LSTMs help traders anticipate market movements with greater precision, which can make a big difference in high frequency trade. And coming to the sentiment analysis, markets don't just run on numbers, they run on emotion. AI driven sentiment analysis scans news, earnings, reports, and social media to gauge market sentiment in real time. So, why does this matter? Because investor psychology drives stocks prices. Traders who incorporate sentiment analysis have seen a 10% increase in intraday performance, especially in small cap stocks where news can move prices quickly. Coming to the challenges. But of course, AI trading isn't without challenges, and there are some major hurdles. First one is data overload. Too much data can overwhelm the models and which lead to hallucination. Bias in AI models. If historical data is biased, AI decisions can be too. And the next one is regulatory compliance. So government implement several financial AIs must meet strict legal standards. And transparency issues. Many AI models are black boxes which traders can't always explain why these particular decisions were made. These challenges highlight why AI in trading must be implemented ethically and responsibly. Coming to emerging technologies and the future of AI trading. The first one is quantum computing. Quantum AI can process financial models 100 million times faster than today's supercomputers. It will revolutionize portfolio optimization, fraud detection, and risk assessment. And the next one is federated learning. AI models will train without data ever leaving financial institutions. This means better privacy, stronger security, and collective intelligence in trading. These technologies will push AI trading into an entirely new frontier. For AI driven trading to be effective, we need the right infrastructure. High performance computing, AI models need ultra fast servers. And the next one is low latency execution. Trades must be executed in milliseconds. Nowadays, there are like algorithms that execute trades by tick by analyzing order by order. And the next one is regulatory compliance. Financial AI must follow legal frameworks. The firms that invest in this infrastructure will lead the AI trading revolution. And coming to the future of AI developers in finance. So, what does this mean for AI developers in the financial industry? Coming to financial acumen, understanding market dynamics, risk management, and regulations is just as important as coding. And AI and ML expertise. Developers need deep knowledge of reinforcement learning, deep learning, and model optimization. Coming to ethical AI development, ensuring transparency, fairness, and security in AI driven trading solutions is critical. The future belongs to those who can merge AI expertise with financial strategy. AI is not just the future of trading, it's happening right now. Traders, investors, developers, this is your moment. AI is transforming financial markets. Will you embrace it or be left behind? And thank you for your time. And let's embrace the future of AI trading together. Thanks.